My name is Jorge. I work for a company called Matterport. We're based in Silicon Valley. We're here today thanks to this great partnership that we have with CRKennedy. They're representing our technology in Australia and New Zealand. In the industry of the AEC, we are here today because we have a great opportunity to showcase our technology and how you guys are taking advantage of Matterport. Matterport is very easy and faster. You turn the camera on, it shoots a Wi-Fi. You connect the iPad through the camera. Then through that, you will be able to operate the camera. Every scan will take around 15 seconds to spin, and then you will be able to capture the entire space. So you will give them to the people how exactly the walkthrough it is. We are changing the industry and how you can actually experience besides of having a 3D space walkthrough, and in saving time, which is one of the crucial things that we're trying to fix or working here.
The great thing about Matterport is knowing that it gives you a bit more security, that you've captured every single nook and cranny within the tenancy, and knowing that even if you did go back home and didn't get all that information there, you'll be able to go back and enlighten yourself through the immersive technology.
We find the Matterport so easy to use that I can literally talk someone through it. They can be an engineer, they can be a modeller, they can be a draftsman. It really doesn't matter. If they're smart enough to use an iPad and understand the concepts of the location, where the best positions to get the best acquisition, they're away.
We certainly see this sort of technology being a bit of a game changer in the industry. So the ability to capture that information and do it efficiently and accurately is certainly starting to create a few waves in the industry. And I think technologies like the Matterport camera are going to be well received within the industry.
So the fact that they've brought in the likes of DLK and stuff like that, I think it's fantastic. It gets around some of the limitations of the Pro 2 in relation to the infrared. So it means you can start scanning outdoor locations like golf courses, paintball fields, all sorts of stuff. But it also provides designers a lot more information for their environment that they're looking at, especially for AEC.